I've seen that where you can cross it. Wash trick here. People try to get away from town stuff. It's craziness.
Hey, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass.
Keep going on the road, maybe it'll catch up to you.
A whole bunch of gondolas.
I think it's to get bored because he was like, okay. Probably sure that you're going to take it on the road. Just
Some center beam lumber cars.
Cajon Boulevard, column.
Boxcar. Covered hopper. Got something on this flat car here. Tie it down.
Yeah, traffic's picking up here now.
These gondolas are probably full of some beams like on these bulkheads. They carry metal in these gondolas quite a bit. They don't have to tie it down like they do on a bulkhead. Beautiful, look at this stuff. Awesome. Now we got a Union Pacific coming. And I'm not in the greatest position to get it here, so I gotta think fast. I'm just gonna have to shoot it coming. Yeah, we're good. We cool. Yeah, we got a freight train coming on that Palmdale Cutoff right here. Let's take a look. Battle of the freight trains. BNSF versus the Union Pacific.
Well, that by the way, don't worry about me. What's the bottom?
Boy, both really good trains. Nice DPUs coming over here on my left side. About 10 minutes, that sun's going to be behind the mountain and I can shoot that way. See how long this train is. Oh, it's an awesome train. I wish I could shoot that way. It goes right into the sun. I've been calling these cement hoppers. I guess they're actually sand hoppers, which go to the cement factory. The ones with the two openings on the bottom. I always call them cement hoppers because I see them at the cement place, but One of you guys told me last night that you usually see them over at someplace in Texas dispensing sand. So I'm thinking they make sand and concrete, so they're probably sand hoppers. The old KCS, DWC, BKTY. That's on the Palmdale Cutoff at Milepost 480.2. Yeah, these little ones with the two open on the bottom. See right under that boxcar. Somebody figure out what BKTY is. I'm guessing it's a Mexican company. Leave me a comment. Appreciate all you car counters. You've been doing real good, giving us good counts. I want to thank JD for another super thanks today. Also want to thank Michael Fox. Also got some super thanks there.
You on your mic? Yeah. We'll drop off about halfway.
Also, thanks for your pledge on Patreon. You guys are awesome. Silent 7, love you guys. Nice freight train. Big shout out to Mr. Cadell in Florida. Thank you for your pledge this month. I'd go up to pass and catch this train again, but Route 66 and Interstate 15 are a parking lot right now, so this is a place I can get to that's nice and easy. I guess I could take the back roads back there, but I don't want to mess up my new tires. Just spent $600 on new tires. I got some beefier ones though, and they got deeper grooves, so that's good. I had a major blowout. Just shredded a tire. But it didn't mess up the rim, luckily.
Drop 12,
We're close to the Intermodal hub, so we get a lot of their radio jargon on my radio too.
We got it all worked out. Go ahead and take it east. Come and find them.
I have a DPU coming here. See, a lot of times on these freight trains, not always, they'll put them 2/3 back and not in the middle. I'm hoping it's in the middle, because that'll make this a really long train. How many did we have up top? How many engines? We got at least 6 now, maybe 7. Look at that nose on that third one back. It's like an SD70 maybe. Yeah, this train's still going way out there. Those might be in the middle, those DPUs. It's a Boise Cascade there. Look at this car. Look at the door in this car here. Very nice. This train's going to have probably. We'll see what's on the end. I'm not going to say yet, but it seems like a very heavy train. Jefferson. JRTX. CSX, we got an East Coaster in here. Old Missouri Pacifics. Very faded logo there. There's a pretty new gondola there. It's not that beat up yet. CHTT. Say that 3 times real fast. I'm monetized on YouTube, so I can't be saying words like that. Cuts into my revenue. Disney won't want to put ads on my trains if I cuss. God, just went by with a totally flat tire. That's a home bum right there. Oh my God. And I was going to have to go wait behind the train. Look at this thing bouncing. Oh my. I heard it come over my left shoulder. I was wondering, what the heck is that? That doesn't sound familiar. Old Southern Pacific boxcar. Sweet. Classic. I should have let the camera on that thing. And as soon as I moved it, he bounced about 4 feet in the air. I'm guessing this is going to go to Mexico, maybe. Here's some rear DPUs. So those DPUs were about halfway, maybe 2/3 back, I guess. We only got one on the back. So we probably got at least 7, maybe 8. Not a bad number. Too bad I can't go that way. Enjoy it while you can. Okay, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. We got a double combo on the freight trains there. That was awesome. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. You'll find the link in any video description.